This is Korean꾸야 who learn how to cook on internet. Today I'm gonna make a anchovy noodle without anchovy. It's called 멸치국수. You need a 500 ml of water for soup. You need a anchovy for soup roast, but Korean anchovy for soup roast is very expensive in Philippines. So today I want to try this product. Almost all Korean grocery have this kind of product. Yeah, it's a soup roast. Yeah, this kind of tea bag, but I'm not sure taste will be good or not. I'm not sure. I will cut some onion, half of this, and some garlic. One of my subscriber who watched my how to peel the garlic video, he said just put garlic in here and shake. Okay, let's shake. Oh, it's so loud. Let's see. No, it didn't work. I will microwave this. It's too hard and too noisy. Just microwave the garlic during the like a 10 seconds. Most easy to peel the garlic. Microwave. Crash and chop. Sorry, Baba Shago. It didn't work. All ingredients are ready. Chopped garlic and onion. This one is a soup. This one is a for noodle. When you boil the noodle, just 4 minutes is fine. And 1 egg. I said half of onion, but it looks too many for 1 egg. Mix well, like this. And boiled noodle. Soup is ready. I think almost. If you use the real anchovy, your soup, you can feel that saltiness, but this one zero. So you have to add something. Oyster sauce. I'm gonna use oyster sauce. Yeah, this is a tip. Like 1 teaspoon. Noodles are already cooked. And you have to add a little bit salt in there. If you use too much oyster sauce or too much soy sauce, that soup's color turning to dark. My recommendation is use the salt. Okay, I boil that again because I have to put eggs in there. If you mix that egg, your soup's taste will be changed. It's not really, how can I say, really clear. I want to keep the clear taste, so don't mix. Just boil like that. Oops, it's done. And sprinkle a little bit, just little seaweed. If you want to use the kimchi for garnish, just chop and put kimchi on top here and seaweed. Done. Boom. Okay. I will taste the soup first. It's so hot. It's so hot. Okay, enjoy your 멸치국수. It was Korean꾸야. Hot soup is so good and perfect combination with kimchi.